Does your Google search look like this? AI-generated summaries pushing all the actual website links way down the page. Google calls it a feature, but honestly, many of us find it distracting, slow, and sometimes even inaccurate. In my last video, we cleaned up the Chrome browser interface. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to completely remove these AI overviews from your search results. From the easiest official method to a permanent set and forget power user trick. Method 1. The web filter. The first and easiest way is using Google's own web filter. After performing a search, look at the top menu bar right below the search box. You will see categories like all, images, and videos. Click on More and select Web. This instantly removes the AI overviews. The people also ask boxes and sponsored widgets, leaving only the classic blue links. Notice how clicking Web removes the AI summary and shows only the traditional search results. Perfect if you just want original sources without AI interference. Method 2. The equals 14 power user shortcut. Clicking Web every time can get tedious. So for a permanent solution, we can use a hidden Google parameter called equals 14. This forces Google into classic mode for every search. Here's how to set it up. Open Chrome and go to Settings. Then click on Search Engine in the left menu. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down to the Site Search section and click Add. For the name, type Google No AI. For the shortcut, type No AI. And for the URL, paste exactly Google. Behavioral search. Q equals S and equals 14. Make sure there is no URL label or extra spaces at the beginning. Then click Save. Now, let's test it. Type No AI. Hit space. And search for Python versus JavaScript for beginners. See that? Google instantly shows the classic results. No AI overviews. No extra boxes. Next, we can make this our default search engine, so every search automatically uses this AI-free mode. Click the 3 dots next to your new entry and select Make Default. Let's test it in a new tab. I'll just type Python versus JavaScript for beginners in the search bar. And, see that? Every search now defaults to classic blue links. No AI overviews appear ever again. Method 3. Browser extensions. If you don't want to tinker with settings, an extension can handle it automatically. Go to the 3 dots at the top right of Chrome. Then click Extensions and select Manage Extensions. At the bottom of the page, click Open Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, search for Hide Google AI Overviews or Bye Google AI. Open the extension you want. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, you can click the extensions icon in Chrome and pin the extension so it stays visible in your browser. These extensions run quietly in the background and hide the AI overview as soon as a search page loads. Let's test it. I'll search Python versus JavaScript for beginners again. Notice the AI overview is gone. No clicks, no extra steps, just clean search results automatically. So, whether you use the web filter for a one-time search, the equals 14 trick for a permanent fix, or a browser extension for a set it and forget it experience, you are back in control of your search results. I want to hear from you. Which method worked best? Did you go with the URL shortcut or prefer a browser extension? Let me know in the comments below, and if you know any other tricks to keep Chrome clean, share them with the community. If this guide helped you reclaim your search experience, hit like and subscribe to Tech Solution for more practical, no-nonsense tech guides. And if Google changes these settings again in a future update, leave a comment. I will dig in and find a new workaround for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.